To other news now, heads must roll. The call from the opposition spokesman on national security, Fitz Jackson, as he prepares to meet later this week with National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang to discuss the alleged mistreatment of 5 Jamaican fishermen by U.S. Coast Guards. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Last week, the Foreign Affairs Ministry revealed that the waiver granted to U.S. authorities allowed for the arrest of the 5 Jamaicans under the Ship-Rider Agreement with the U.S. This came a week after opposition senators blasted the government for its handling of the alleged abuse of 5 Jamaican fishermen by U.S. Coast Guards. On Monday, opposition spokesman on national security Fitz Jackson echoed those concerns.
I would believe that having given authority to all Jamaicans in the first instance, there would be an ongoing follow-up on the matter. It's 2 years now, and the Minister of National Security is claiming ignorance on the matter until it has come to light, unavoidably so, that they in fact knew about the fishermen, knew about their detention, failed to follow up and inquire what is the state of affairs with them, and to determine whether or not due process was afforded to those fishermen.
Mr. Jackson argues that based on the information that has come to light, heads should roll.
It's an indictment on the Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Minister of National Security in this matter. And I hope that the appropriate action will be taken and people be held responsible for their failure in public office. All of us Jamaicans, anywhere in the world, those resident here and those abroad who would rely on their government to look out for them, is now coming to learn that you're really on your own.
He says he has no interest in seeking to further the amendment to the Maritime Drug Trafficking Act, commonly known as the Ship-Rider Agreement, at this time.
The amendment is not the issue. It's the responsibility and the failure of the government. And that is what we will seek to ensure, that the government behave responsibly and the appropriate action be taken against the parties responsible for their negligence or outright failure.
The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, filed a lawsuit in a U.S. court on June 12 on behalf of 4 of the fishermen who were detained by U.S. Coast Guards in September 2017. The 5th has indicated that he could join the lawsuit in the future. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.